Now, after what has happened inside the BMC, inside the House, the extra 2 days which had been added, the ban on those 2 days is going to be done away with on the 13th and 18th. And also, there is going to be no restriction on the sale of mutton, sale of meat.
Well, that's right, Padmaja. And finally, after a lot of pressure, both from media and from public at large, the BMC had to specifically, with the support of Shiv Sena corporators in the BMC House, they have decided to withdraw as far as 2 days are concerned, that's 13th and 18th. And again, coming back to the original circular of only 2 days ban. Remember, even the High Court had maintained that there was no need to extend the ban on meat by 2 more days, especially in a metropolitan city like Mumbai. And that's what the question was about, that what was the need to extend this ban from 2 days to 4 days. As far as these 2 days ban are concerned, that has been in practice for quite a long time. But certainly the appeasement politics that was followed by the BJP corporators in BMC is now stand exposed, especially when BJP corporators remaining silent during the discussion in the BMC House. And I'm told most of the BJP corporators were silent. They did not utter a word when it came to deciding on revoking.
All right, we wonder what explains that kind of silence, since they've already said that it is the BMC's prerogative, and if something is done to remove the ban, they would be okay with it. Ashish, just stay on with us, because we've got Priyanka Chaturvedi of the Congress with us on the phone line. Does this strike you as some kind of a half-hearted token measure, Priyanka Chaturvedi, that you have a ban that was extended from 2 to 4 days, and essentially at the end of the day, all that is being done is to cut down on those extra 2 days? The ban will still remain for 2 days. What's the point?
No, what we need to understand here is that there was a 2-day ban by the BMC and there was a 2-day ban by the state government. So that made a total 4-day ban in Mumbai. Now, what we are seeing right now is the BMC, which has more of Shiv Sena and less of the Bharatiya Janata Party in coalition, has withdrawn this ban, while the state government continues with the ban. So very clearly, BJP wants the ban to continue, and now BJP truly stands isolated as far as this particular incident is concerned.